Hi guys, my name is Elizabeth. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make oil from avocado. You only need overripe avocado. Why? Because you need to make a fine paste out of it, and the riper the better, because it is easier to mash and makes a perfect paste that you'll be needing for all the work. So you cut through your avocado and get a spoon to help you scoop it out. Actually, the flesh is what we're working with. Make sure you check it. If it's not good, please don't use it. You can always use one that is better, or cut off the part that doesn't look so good. Use a spoon to scoop out the flesh and then put it in something like a bowl. You can work with a bowl or anything that can help you mash it better. And then I am using a cooking stick to mash it, and that is what my paste looks like. Next step is to transfer this mixture of my paste into my plate, my metallic tray. If you have a metallic tray, the better. After transferring this to my metallic tray, if you have a metallic tray, the better, or a plate, depends on the amount of paste that you made. I would advise for a beginner, please use like 3, 4, 5 avocados. Please don't use as many as I did for the first time, because it became so hectic. If you're not such a patient person, please don't try this at home. The process is messy and it requires a lot of time and patience. I tried drying it under the sun day 1, but it was not working for me. Because tell me why the whole house was smelling like avocado, especially the kitchen. I couldn't stand it, so I decided that I'm going to let it stay outside for 3 more days until it was completely dry, and these are the results. I was super excited at this point when I saw oil. Oh my goodness, this one was actually left outside until it was completely dry. How do you know it is dry? When your paste turns from dark green to black, that's when you know it's dry. And also you can see traces of oil. The drying takes 4 days. As for the remaining portion, I decided to use heat on it, like use fire. I use a stove and a pan to burn it at a very low heat. You want to be very careful with the fire. If you put excess fire, it's going to burn your avocados and nothing will come out of it, or it will come out having a smoky smell, like a burnt smell, and you don't want that for your oil. At this point, you need a straining cloth, whatever it is you can work with, that is strong enough to withstand the pressure, because you want to strain everything out of it. The same way the government is straining patience out of us. Strain everything. Use your might and your power. Make sure what you're using, the straining cloth, can withstand the pressure, and press everything. Press everything. Press it very well. The same way the government is using economy to press us down. At this point, I use all my anger and frustration. This is where you want to let it all out. Press it. Press that strainer, because you need all the oil from it. And voila, oil is coming out like pure oil. After my straining, I had some residue down there because my strainer broke, because it couldn't withstand the pressure. I had to find a way to fix it, and there, yeah, it's broken, so it had some residue in my oil, but that was not a big deal. I had to strain it again, and there we go. We have oil from our avocado. Do let me know in the comment section if you will try this at home. I cannot promise you an easy process, but I can promise you results. And that is the results. Easy oil. You can use it on your skin, you can use it on your hair, you can use it to cook. But I made mine for my hair, so it's ready to use. If you don't like the natural smell, you can put essential oils like lavender and rosemary. See you on the next one. Bye.